Castor oil is a versatile product, affordable and efficient, and it is commonly used in the treatments of various ailments, or as a replacement for cosmetic products. It is applied topically to treat injuries, soothe back and ankle pain, to remove brown spots on the skin, and much more. Holistic experts claim that its regular application provides great effects in the treatment of health issues which are resistant to traditional methods. This is how to use this oil and treat 25 ailments, according to Dr. William M.C. Gray. 1. Take 5 drops of castor oil in the morning to soothe allergy symptoms. 2. Mix it with baking soda to whiten brown spots on your skin. 3. Apply it onto the abdominal area daily for a few weeks to stop snoring. 4. Drip a drop of castor oil in the eyes every night at bedtime to cure cataract. 5. Rub it in your eyelids at bedtime to relieve ocular allergies. 6. Massage the belly during pregnancy with this oil to prevent stretch marks. 7. To prevent hearing loss, drop a bit of it into the ears. 8. Treat pilonidal cysts by regularly applying it. 9. Massage the lower back with it once a week to prevent pain. 10. Castor oil compress prevents obstipation. 11. Use castor oil to massage the injured wrists, wrap them in clean film or aluminum foil, and leave it to act until the next morning. 12. Treat warts for a month with castor oil to eliminate them. 13. Apply castor oil compress onto your neck area daily for 3 months to eliminate the nodules on your vocal cords and treat chronic hoarseness. 14. Apply this thick oil on the belly in the form of a compress to treat hyperactivity. 15. Apply it topically on melanoma on a daily basis to treat it. 16. Studies have shown that castor oil quickly treats hepatitis. 17. Take 6-8 drops of castor oil on a daily basis for a month to relieve tinnitus. The healing procedure lasts for 4 weeks. 18. Boost your hair growth with castor oil. Massage the scalp daily for 20 minutes to boost hair growth. 19. Massage the soles to reduce calcium deposits. 20. Mix castor oil and baking soda, and apply their paste on the skin areas to treat skin cancer. 21. Use it to provide energy and boost your strength when trying to ditch alcohol. 22. Castor oil boosts overall health in terminally ill cancer patients. 23. Apply castor oil on the bee stings to treat pain and swelling. 24. Treat the nail fungus with castor oil. Castor oil. Castor oil is commonly used in compresses as it boosts circulation. This is how to make one. You need some cold-pressed castor oil and clean film. Clean the skin with some baking soda before the treatment. Then, heat it and soak gauze. Then, apply it on the affected area, wrap it in a clean film, and place a bottle with hot water. Secure with a towel, and leave the oil to act for an hour. Apply this compress for 40 days, and make a new one when the oil changes the color or smell.